Okay, today we're going to do Angel Food cake mix. It's the easiest, most tasty meal that you've had. You dump this in here and let all the mix go into the bowl. And then you take 20 ounce of crushed pineapple. Do not drain it. You want the water from it to go into the mix. So dump it in there and just ploppy plop. And then what you're going to want to do is take your grandma's electric mixer and put it in there and start mixing it together. Okay, Habibti, that looks pretty good. So we're going to get the spatula and make sure we don't waste any of these wonderful ingredients. This is the most simple, easy, wonderful angel food cake that you've ever had. Just like my teta used to make me. Okay, so we take this. We have a 9x13 baking dish. Just dump it in there. I love how light and fluffy it is. You don't even need to spray the pan in this recipe. No need to spray. And just make sure spatula you don't want to waste. We don't waste in our family. Right, Habibti?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay, so now we have that in there. Let's make sure it's all nice and smooth over the top. It smells really good, actually.
So fluffy.
It's very fluffy. Okay. That's pretty good. Put that on there. Alright. So we have the oven preheated, 350. We put it in there for 25 minutes. And come back in 25 minutes and we'll see how it's doing. Okay, let's see how the angel food cake. Alright, it looks amazing. Oh wow.
Ooh.
Oh man.
Wow.
Okay, before we finish this most easiest cake, we have to let it cool for a few minutes and throw something else, one more thing on there. Okay, and finally we have a Cool Whip that we are going to put on top. Make sure it's thawed and make sure your cake has cooled down, otherwise the Cool Whip will melt on top. So you want to just put the Cool Whip all over the top of it and smooth it out. Just smooth. The middle of my cake fell. I try not to make this happen, but sometimes it does. It still tastes very good, so okay. So we put this on top and just smooth it over the top. Okay, now that we have that all smooth over the top, let's give it a try. Oh, it's so fluffy.
Wow, so fluffy.
That's wonderful. Put it down on my plate. Okay, moment of truth. That's pretty good.